Hi, this is Chris. I'm down here near Austin, Texas. I just got my order in from OnlineCabinetsDirect. I've got boxes strewn all over my kitchen here. And I had one issue that I'm going to be addressing, and I had one door. You can see the crack down here. It's kind of beat up, so I'm going to have to email them and I'll send them a photo. And hopefully we'll see how long it takes them to get back. Everyone's going to have a copy of this so they can see what's going on with OnlineCabinetsDirect and their customer service. I finally got my replacement door 6 weeks later. 6 weeks later. I just put this in this morning. All is good now. I love the cabinets. I love the kitchen. I do not like the communication of OnlineCabinetsDirect. If they would have told me it'd be 6 to 8 weeks, I'd have been alright with that. Just have to know. But they kept ignoring my emails, ignoring my phone calls. When they did answer, very vague answers. It's been ordered. They don't tell you anything about how long it's going to take. I don't know if they know. But 6 weeks, got my replacement door. It's obviously an overseas supplier because it wouldn't take that long if it was local. That's my opinion anyways. I love it. Know what you're getting into when you deal with OnlineCabinetsDirect. Poor communication, decent cabinets. You can check out my instructional video on how to put some of these together. I think it went really well. This is my second kitchen of putting these together, and I had the same problems with my first kitchen from OnlineCabinetsDirect. I ordered from them again anyways because of the price difference, but if I could find even a little bit higher price with better service, I would go that route for my next one. So who knows? We'll see what happens. I might order from them again, might go somewhere else.